Hey, can I sit there?
Sure.
You eat like the star-like monster, my young Padawan.
Later. Barf hideous. Hey, Mom. Why do I have to be so ugly?
You are not ugly, Augie.
They won't even talk to me. Thanks for your help today. No problem.
What's wrong?
I just don't like eating in front of people.
What did you do that for? Dude, I don't want to switch. Why not? Do you really want to be partners with that freak?
He's a freak. Jesus, I've never seen anything that ugly in my life.
Hey, what's your problem?
Get out of my way.
No.
I said get out of my way.
I said no.